All right, Algebra 2, welcome to your 7-5-7-8 game plan video. It's going to be a pretty quick one. Here we are on page 1, folks. We got the properties of logs. Addition means multiplication, subtraction means division, and then we got that power property there. A power can be written down below, and on the outside can also come up as a power. All right, I got the answer here to number 1. Same log base 5. Addition means you multiply 22 and x together. That 5 can come on down, be written like that. I think I have the answer to number 3 here. Power comes up, power comes up. That should be a y there. A y is missing, should be log base, or log of y to the third. Anyway, multiply them together. All right, we've done that one in class. Anyway, these two you combined, x and 8 gives you 8x. Equals log base 4, 24. That means 8x has got to equal 24. X is 3. Next page here. Number 8, subtraction. It means division. You got log of 100 over x plus 5 equals, again, log base 7 equals log base 7 of 10. Log base 7, log base 7. Drop that. Cross multiply. And you get x is 5. Number 11 here, that 3 comes up as an exponent. Log base 2 of x to the third equals log base 2 of 8. X to the third equals 8. X is 2. Log base 4 of 48 minus log base 4 of x. Got log base 4 of 48 over x equals log base 4 of 6. 48 over x equals 6. X is 8. Log base 3 of 2x plus log base 3 of 7. Combine those. That is log base 3 of 2x and 7 gives you 14x equals log base 3 of 42. 14x equals 42. X is 3. Moving on, that's page 2. Let's go to page 3 here. Change your base formula. Simply use your calculator. Log base a of x equals log x over log a, or natural log of x over natural log a. So as we talked about, log base 3 of 20 was log of 20 over log of 3, or natural log 20 over natural log 3. Anyway, log base 7 of 23 is log 23 divided by log 7. All right. Log base 9 of a fifth is log of a fifth divided by log of 9. Anyway, round those to the nearest 2 decimals. All right, round nearest hundredth there. Anyway, as we talked about in class, I think for a lot of us, we wanted to, so I showed it by attaching natural log to both sides and then dividing. But I know for a lot of us, you wrote this in exponential form. So you said this was log base 6 of 42 equals x. And then you said log of 42 divided by log of 6 is x. And folks, that's going to give you the same answer. All right. I believe we did these in class as well. So this one right here, again, this is how I showed Honors Algebra 2. We attached natural log to both sides, got a decimal, we divided. Again, you could have done log base 3 of 11 is equal to that exponent. It's equal to 2x. So then log of 11 divided by log of 3 is equal to 2x. That gives you that 2.18 equals 2x. You divide both sides by 2 to get your 1.09. Okay, it doesn't matter how you do that one. And then, you know, something like 13. Again, we've done that one in class. You've got, you could have written this as log base 8 of 67 equals x minus 4. That means log 67 divided by log of 8 equals x minus 4. Brings you down to exactly that step right there. X minus 4 equals 2.02. X is 6.02. Solve it however you want, folks. All right, page 5 is a review. I did all the ones on the right side, getting them to be the same base makes it very easy. 27 is 3 to the third. 1 over 25 is 5 to the negative third. Get x minus 1. 4 to the second equals x minus 1. X squared equals 36. There you go. Remember, x has got to be positive there. It's always got to be a positive base, never negative. All right, into the new stuff. Folks, type those in. Again, we'll talk about it in class. Round each one to the nearest hundredth. Again, most of you view this if you're gone. We've got to get e to the x all by itself. We're going to divide. So first off, we're going to move the 2 over. Then we're going to divide both sides by 3. We need e to the x equals 2. We attach natural log to both sides. That makes that x come on down. X equals natural log of 2. X is 0.69. Subtract 9 from both sides. Divide both sides by -3. You get e to the x is 5/3. Attach natural log to both sides. You get x equals natural log of 5/3. You might want to put that in parentheses. 0.51. All right. On the next page, page 7 here, I've got number 8. Going to add 3 to both sides. Going to divide both sides by 4. So you get e to the x minus 4 equals 5. You need the all by itself, nothing attached to it. Then attach natural log to both sides. That x minus 4 will come on down. That equals natural log 5. That's some decimal, add 4 to it, 5.61. Here you just simply attach e as a base. You get x is equal to e to the 5th, which is a perfect answer on its own. Again, as we will talk about in class, how to get rid of natural log, you attach e as its base. This is the first one there. You attach e as the base. E to the 5th is a perfect answer, but 148.41 is also right. All right, I'm going to do the same thing here, but we got to get natural log all by itself, so we got to divide both sides by 2. Then natural log of x minus 3 equals 6. We attach e as its base. X minus 3 comes on down, equals e to the 6th. E to the 6th plus 3. That's your answer. All right. As we talked about before, 5 is written as an exponent, so that is natural log of 3 to the 5th. 2 is written as an exponent, natural log of 9 squared. 3 to the 5th is 243. 9 squared is 81. 243, 81. Subtraction means division in the log world. That's natural log of 3. All right, write them as a single log or natural log. All right, can't be written any differently. 2 comes up as an exponent. 5 squared is 25. Natural log of 125 minus, which means division, equals natural log 5. All right, written as an exponent, natural log of x squared minus natural log of 5 to the 4th. That's natural log of 120, no, that's natural log of 625. All right, subtraction means division. X to the 8th goes over 625. All right, that 3 goes up as an exponent, but you have x squared now being raised to the 3rd power. That is x to the 6th. That 4 goes up as an exponent. That is now 3 to the 4th, which is 81. Addition means multiplication in the log world. All right, that's page 8. And lastly, page 9. Review here. So this game plan is probably going to be, definitely going to be due on Wednesday there. We will take a quiz on Thursday. We'll have no issue doing that. All right, attach natural log. Get rid of that e. That exponent comes on down. X minus 1 equals natural log 4. Natural log of 4 plus 1 is a good answer. 2.39 also works. Add 2 to both sides. Divide both sides by 2. Attach natural log to both sides. X plus 3 equals natural log 4. Subtract 3 from natural log 4. There you go. Number 5. Divide both sides by 2. You want natural log all by itself, so you have a natural log of blank equals 6. You attach e as the base. E to any natural log means that whatever inside that natural log comes on down. Equals e to the 6th. To e to the 6th, you're going to add 2, and you're going to get that. All right, number 7, you're going to subtract 2 from both sides. You can divide both sides by 3. You want that natural log all by itself, just like we did in number 5. You're going to attach e as a base. X plus 2 equals e squared. Subtract 2 from both sides. There you go. All right, folks, that is your video for this relatively short game plan. Again, expect for it to be turned in without any issue Wednesday at the start class. This is the Algebra Math video signing out.